today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate your WooCommerce checkout page. This is an important step if you want to offer a smooth shopping experience for customers who speak different languages. So let's walk through the easiest way to translate any text on your WooCommerce checkout page. To get started, you'll need a plugin called Loco Translate. Begin by installing and activating it. If you're unsure how to do that, it's simple. Head to the plugin section in your WordPress dashboard and select Add New. In the search bar, type Loco Translate. When it appears in the results, click Install Now, and once the installation finishes, click Activate to turn it on. With Loco Translate activated, it's time to translate WooCommerce. Go to the Loco Translate menu inside your dashboard and choose the Plugins option. From the list of plugins, select WooCommerce. This will open all translation options available specifically for WooCommerce. Next, choose the language you want to translate into. If the language already exists, just click on it. If it doesn't, click New Language to create a fresh translation set. Once your language is selected, click Edit next to it. This is where you'll manage all the text strings from your checkout page. Use the search bar to look up any specific phrase you want to translate, such as billing details or place order. When the phrase appears, click on it and enter your translated version in the box below. Repeat this for any text you want to modify. Once you finish, make sure to press Save. This step is crucial so your translations appear on the live checkout page. And that's all it takes. With these steps, you can easily translate your WooCommerce checkout page and create a much more user-friendly shopping experience for customers in different languages. Thanks for watching and happy translating!